Hello. So I forgot to make the video before I started putting them all back together. So here's the number 4 of the approximate 5x4 mini junk journal kit packet for beginners to make their own. And all the little parts and pieces that I put in there that I had previously made. And some tags. And then we've got the Monopoly money. And there's 3 trivia card. Well, I don't know if they're trivia, but they're game cards. A little envelope I made, and it has a lot of little punches and stuff in it. A book page. A DigiKit. Or a picture from a DigiKit. And a little puzzle with the answer on the back. And you got the packet of the needle thread helper, paper clip, and little flowers and buttons and lace. That's so cool. 3 signatures. There's 5 folded pages. And that should really help make a junk journal fun. Bye.